Be Your Own CFO, Part 14. Get started with your own bookkeeping. This will be a quick overview to understand what you need to do to be able to get your bookkeeping on track. Step 1. Make sure that you have separate personal and business bank accounts and credit cards. It's just a lot more work for you if you have to separate which transactions relate to the business and which don't. Step 2. Get an accounting software. QuickBooks Online and Xero are very popular options, but if you really don't want to spend money, you can get something free like Wave. Step 3. Connect all of your bank accounts and credit cards to the accounting software. Step 4. On a regular basis, monthly being the minimum, daily being ideal, categorize all the transactions that are coming in through your bank feed into your accounting software in the correct accounts. Knowing what the right account is will become a little bit more clear as we continue with this video series. For each transaction, try to make sure that there's a name associated with the vendor or the customer that it pertains to. That way it's a lot easier for you to keep track of, for example, how much money have you spent on this particular vendor. You can also write something in the memo to describe the transaction in case what came through the bank feed as a name is not particularly descriptive, and apply any sales tax as necessary. And step 5 is do monthly reconciliations of your bank and credit cards so that you make sure that all the transactions are actually in the system. In part 15, we'll start going through the major accounts in a little bit more depth, starting with everybody's favorite, revenue.